As we age, many people notice subtle changes at first. The skin doesn't bounce back the same way. Joints feel stiffer in the morning. Digestion becomes more sensitive. Wrinkles and sagging slowly appear. Most people are told, that's just aging. But what's really happening beneath the surface is something far more specific. You're losing collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the biological glue that holds your skin, joints, bones, gut lining, arteries, muscles, and connective tissue together. And here's the critical part most people don't know. After your mid-20s, your body loses about 1% of its collagen every single year. By the time many people reach their 40s, 50s, or 60s, collagen loss accelerates, unless you actively support the systems that rebuild it. The good news? Your body never loses the ability to make collagen. It simply needs the right signals, nutrients, enzymes, and environment to do so. In today's video, we'll cover why collagen breaks down with age, the exact building blocks collagen needs, how to switch collagen-producing genes back on, how to protect collagen from damage, and the 12 most powerful, natural ways to rebuild collagen as you age. Let's begin. Why collagen declines with age. Collagen loss isn't random. It happens because fibroblast cells slow down, inflammation increases, stress hormones rise, nutrient absorption declines, blood flow becomes weaker. When collagen weakens, skin loses firmness and elasticity, joints lose cushioning, bones become fragile, arteries stiffen, the gut lining becomes leaky or inflamed. But your body still has special repair cells capable of rebuilding collagen, if you support them correctly. Step 1. Provide the raw materials for collagen. Collagen cannot be rebuilt without raw materials. Collagen peptides. One of the easiest ways to supply these materials is through hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Add 1 to 2 scoops to coffee or water. Tasteless and odorless. Easily absorbed. These peptides don't just provide amino acids, they act as signals. When peptides enter the bloodstream, they send messages to fibroblasts, telling them to start building collagen again. This strengthens skin, joints, hair follicles, arteries, tendons. Whole food collagen, even more powerful. Your body also needs slow-digesting collagen sources for long-term repair. These provide 3 key amino acids: glycine, proline, hydroxyproline. Best sources include bone broth, beef gelatin, slow-cooked meats on the bone, oxtail, beef tendons, chicken skin, fish skin, bone marrow. Whole food collagen digests slowly, creating a steady amino acid release, ideal for joint repair, fascia, gut lining regeneration. And that leads us to something critical. Collagen repair starts in the gut. If your gut is inflamed, collagen rebuilding slows dramatically. Inflammation from processed foods, alcohol, artificial sweeteners, antibiotics, reduces nutrient absorption. But here's the simplest solution. Eggs, the ultimate collagen food. Eggs are one of the most complete anti-aging foods on the planet. Just 3 to 4 eggs per day provide retinol, active vitamin A, glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid. These support joint cushioning, skin hydration, eye health, hair strength. If digestion is weak, use apple cider vinegar capsules before meals. This improves protein and mineral absorption. Step 2. Switch collagen-producing genes back on. Supplying materials isn't enough. You must activate collagen assembly. Vitamin C, the collagen glue. Vitamin C activates collagen enzymes, prevents collagen breakdown, strengthens collagen fibers. Low vitamin C shows up as easy bruising, crepey skin, slow wound healing, visible veins. Best food sources: bell peppers, cabbage, sauerkraut, kale, broccoli, berries, citrus fruits. If supplementing, use whole food vitamin C, acerola, camu, rose hips. Vitamin D, the gene activator. Vitamin D activates collagen genes inside fibroblasts, reduces inflammation, lowers cortisol. Low vitamin D equals faster collagen loss. Step 3. Improve oxygen and circulation. Collagen repair requires oxygen. Daily nitric oxide snack. Watermelon seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, pinch of mineral salt. Eat mid-morning too. Boost nitric oxide. Improve blood flow. Raise growth hormone and IGF-1. Sunlight and walking further enhance this effect. Step 4. Control inflammation. Inflammation destroys collagen. Krill oil, rich in omega-3s, contains astaxanthin, powerful antioxidant. Supports joint health, skin elasticity, circulation. Typical dose, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily. Hyaluronic acid acts as a moisture magnet, keeps collagen hydrated, reduces joint friction, improves skin plumpness. Typical dose, 100 to 200 milligrams daily. What destroys collagen? Avoid these. Sugar plus protein combinations, glycation, chronic stress and high cortisol, vegetable seed oils, smoking and vaping, excess alcohol, poor sleep, sunburn. Don't fear healthy fats. Low-fat diets reduce hormone production, lower collagen synthesis, deplete vitamins A, D, E, K. Include eggs, butter, meat, fish, saturated fats in balance. Avoid processed sugar, refined flour, vegetable oils. Sleep. When collagen is built, most collagen repair happens during deep sleep. If sleep is broken, repair stops. Aging accelerates. Fixing sleep is essential for youthful skin and joints. Closing. Collagen loss is not inevitable. It's modifiable. When you supply the right building blocks, activate the correct genes, improve circulation, control inflammation, protect collagen from damage, your body responds, even as you age. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to GissHealthyTips TV.